Let us read together. Pop up, Peekaboo. Baby bee is flying on a hot summer's day. She is looking for her family. Did they fly this way? Is baby bee's family in the flower pot? Peekaboo, happy wiggly worms live here. 3 pretty flowers are growing side by side. And look, there is a tiny house. It's a perfect place to hide. Peekaboo, it's noisy birdies living here. Tweet, tweet. 5 red tomatoes all juicy, plump and round. Are these bees hiding here? Will they soon be found? Let's look behind the cabbage. Peekaboo, smiley snails are hiding here. 7 friendly caterpillars see baby bee fly past. Look behind the bush, they say. You might find your family at last. Is the baby bee's family behind the bush? Peekaboo, no, beautiful butterflies are hiding here. Rosy red apples are growing on the tree. What's that noise? Can you hear it? It sounds like buzzing to me. Is baby bee's family in the hive? Peekaboo, yes, baby bee's family are buzzing here.